Welcome to the Lean and Mean Protein Diet, where we say goodbye to bread and hello to all things meat. Let's dive into how this diet can make cutting calories easier while boosting your protein intake. This diet focuses on consuming high-quality proteins like lean beef, chicken, turkey, and fish. High protein intake is key for muscle maintenance and satiety, which helps in managing hunger and reducing overall calorie consumption. Protein is crucial for building and repairing tissues and making enzymes and hormones. By increasing your protein intake, you can improve your metabolism and increase fat burning. Here's how you can implement this diet. Start your day with a turkey bacon breakfast, enjoy a grilled chicken salad for lunch, and end with a salmon steak for dinner. While this diet can be beneficial, it's important to ensure you're still getting a variety of nutrients. Include low-carb vegetables like spinach and broccoli to keep your meals balanced. If you're new to this diet, begin by gradually reducing bread and other carbs while increasing your meat portions. This helps your body adjust without feeling deprived. Interested in more health transformations and dietary tips? Subscribe and hit the like button for updates on how to live a healthier, protein-rich life.